Hey guys, it's Boomer. Shark. No, agua. There. Drum and our newest member. Drum roll, please. So today we're going to be going to the creek and okay, let's get in the video. Are we going to the end? Oh my gosh, you splashed me, little turd. It's gonna be deeper than normal because of the rain. We're here at the creek. Wow, chicken! Wow. Nobody makes fun of me. 2, 1, go! Oh. Chicken! Chris got some chicken! Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow. Ah, go! 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! Shot! Go! 1, 5. That was the only thing. I'm okay. Matter or something?
No, I do dance. That's one of my dance pictures.
13. So these 15. So they're burying chicken. That's the evolution of the tadpole, remember? You just scooped it up. He's touched. Oh no.
He doesn't want to leave you. Oh, okay.
Oh, your poor hair. Your poor hair. Thank you guys for watching.
Yeah.
Bye. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay strong. Bye. That close to touching the ground. He looks so uncomfortable.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.